Guess the chicken sandwich for $100.
Ooh. Let's see. That's Burger King. This one has lettuce.
I can see that.
No other chicken sandwich have lettuce. That's Zaxby's.
From the smell?
I can smell they have this sauce and it's like a tangy sauce and it's yeah, that's Zaxby's right there. Chick-fil-A is like a sweet peanut. I don't know what it is about Chick-fil-A chicken, but it tastes like a sweet peanut.
Alright.
That's McDonald's. It tastes exactly like a freaking McDonald's chicken nugget. Exactly like a McDonald's chicken nugget. Woo, that's crispy. That's Popeyes. Popeyes. That's Popeyes right there.
How can you tell?
Feel this. Touch it. You feel how crispy that is? That's one of the crispiest chicken sandwiches you can get.
I don't get it. That's all.
Is that all? How many I get right?
Everyone again.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!